Hello, everybody. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had a great week and hope you're looking forward to a great weekend. And for all of you ladies out there, happy Mother's Day. God bless you ladies for putting up with your kids and also your husbands and everyone else, right? So this is your weekend. Enjoy it, moms, and thanks for everything that you do. Hey, I'm going to tell you guys about a couple of stocks today, but first I want to tell you something else. I want to tell you guys, do not take any profit today, this Friday, okay? Don't do it. I know it's a time-honored tradition to take profits on Fridays, in particular, Fridays before a holiday weekend, okay? But don't do it. It's not time yet. It's not time yet. Looking at these stocks we've been recommending, they're going up, 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 up. So you might be tempted to, go ahead and pull some profit out of the market today on Friday, but don't do it, okay? It's not time. And not even close. Not even close. Yes, we made some money. I just got to looking through all the stocks we've been buying now during this COVID crisis, and some of them have really gone up a lot since we started several weeks ago. And it's certainly tempting to start pulling profit out, but don't do it. We're not even close to being done here, okay? So just hold your horses and let's hold on. I want to show you guys a graph real quick, okay? I wish I could put it on the screen here, but I don't have time to learn how to use all these functions on these YouTube videos, okay? So I'm just going to show you a graph here. Old school. Here's where we were in January, right? Stock market's roaring. Everything's going great, okay? And along comes this news of COVID, and it starts to bring the market down and eventually crashes here towards the end of March, right? And looks like the lowest days around March 23rd, as I recall. Anyways, since then, what's happened? It found the bottom. The market found the bottom and starts to claw its way up. And you have good days and you have bad days, but as you can see, the market is trending upwards, okay? And here's what's important. It's already clawed back about half of its losses. It's already clawed back about half of its losses. So you could say, in a way, a lot of opportunity has been missed because, of course, this is where you want to buy, right? You want to buy down here at the bottom, but there's still a lot of room to grow, okay? As you see, and this is the Dow. This is an average of all kinds of stocks, and it's already clawed back about half of its losses, okay? But what we're looking for are any of those stocks that were hit harder than others, and so they're still lower than others. That's what we've been looking for. That's the whole deal. What stocks really crashed? What stocks really got hammered that we can pick up at huge discounts, okay? And at least triple our money. Going back just until last week, is much more optimistic. You're looking at stocks that, man, we can make 5 times our money, 6 times our money, but there's still plenty of room to double your money, okay? Still plenty of room, and even if you haven't bought any stocks yet, don't think that all's lost. Don't give up, okay? If you've been wondering if there's still time to put some money in the markets to take advantage of this most recent crash, there is, okay? And that's what this is all about. That's what these videos are about. So I'm going to tell you guys just about a couple of stocks right now, especially for those of you who haven't put any money in the market yet. And maybe, you're watching some financial news and you see the market's coming up and you're like, man, maybe now is a good time. And it still is. Okay, it still is. Last week was better, right? 10 days ago or so was better. But it's okay. There's still plenty of room for growth. First, I want to tell you guys about, of course, the stocks that got hammered the hardest were vacation stocks, cruise lines, resorts, things like that. And so back to those, MGM, there's call sign as well, MGM is trading at about 44% of its 52-week high. So still plenty of room to grow right there. If you're looking for a place to put money right now, I'm going to say MGM, okay? Also WYNN, W-Y-N-N. They're at 55% of their 52-week high, okay? So still plenty of room right there at WYNN, okay? Those are the gaming stocks. Now, I want to tell you about the gaming stock that really got hit the most, and that was Eldorado Resorts. And Eldorado Resorts, like I said in previous videos, owns kind of a an odd collection of resorts across the country, not just in Las Vegas. But they're in the process of buying Caesars World. Their stock got really, really hammered. I think a lot of people thought that maybe that deal was going to fall apart and they weren't going to be able to buy Caesars. But their 52-week high was 70.74. Okay, today it's trading at 21, and so it's really low, 30% of its 52-week high. We bought a couple weeks ago back when it was 12.85, so we've already almost doubled our money on that stock right there. But I want to tell you something: don't buy Eldorado today. Okay, it's a little bit of a gamble. Their earnings call is going to come out on Monday. I got a feeling it's going to go down even further on Monday, because guess what earnings reports are telling us now after COVID? They didn't make any money, right? Obviously, how are you going to make money when all your resorts have been ordered to close? And so on Monday, I got a feeling, I could be wrong. There's a chance some good news is going to come out, and the stock price might go up a little bit higher. But I got a feeling it's going to go down lower. So it's trading at 21 now. Wait until Monday morning and just have your finger on that button, and just be watching. And if it starts to go down further, make sure you buy some. But even if it's still there around 21, buy some, okay? Because like I said, tons of room for growth in Eldorado Resorts. So today I'm recommending MGM, WYNN, WYNN, Eldorado Resorts, ERI, but wait on that until Monday, okay? There's a chance I'm wrong. There's a chance you can get to Monday and the price is going to be higher than 21, but I don't think so. Okay? I do want to touch briefly on Camping World, which we've been talking about just 3 days ago. I recommended Camping World, okay? It was trading at 973. That's when we bought. It's up to 1404 today. So that one's really going up. I'm a believer in Camping World right now. They sell a lot of RVs, Winnebagos, those sorts of things. And I think this is going to be a summer that a lot of folks are going to be investing in those things, because it may be a more appealing option to buy an RV and kind of spend time like that, kind of in the outdoors, as opposed to getting back in line at airports and at Disney World. I don't know if people are going to be ready for lines this summer, and so this summer might be a good time for people to be buying RVs. So keep watching Camping World. You may have missed the boat. Like I said, it's already risen, $3 or $4 or almost $5 since in the last 3 days. And as far as the cruise lines are still the last great frontier of hammered stocks. They're still really, really low. Some people are still afraid to buy them, and so you have great opportunity there. Okay, my biggest stake that I have is in Carnival. Still great, still discounted by 75% since the market crashed. Okay, it's trading at 25% of its 52-week high. Okay, and the other I want to recommend today is Norwegian. Okay, Norwegian is at 21. That's the best buy today, actually, is Norwegian. Okay, if there's really one stock, I guess, that I wanted to tell you to buy today, and you have not missed the boat, you can still find it really, really cheap, and still a long ways to go back up, it's Norwegian today, trading at 21% of its 52-week high. Okay, so you can buy it today at 12.33. Again, their 52-week high was nearly 60. It was 59, okay? So you can buy it today at 12.33. It doesn't need to get back up to 59, right? If it can just get halfway there, right? 22.33, you've doubled or tripled your money, okay? So I think that's a winner. That's what I would recommend today is Norwegian, okay? That's all I have for you guys today. I might check in over the weekend, see how the markets, how everything closes for the week, okay? And if not, we'll talk to you guys on Monday. And once again, you ladies, happy Mother's Day, okay? Bye-bye.